Welcome to day 16 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. So today is your freedom machine. What a funnel is, why it changes everything, and how it works for you 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. Stop chasing people, start building the system that brings the right people to you. So we're going to talk about funnels today. So what is a funnel? In plain words, a funnel is a simple path that takes someone from I don't know you to wow, I trust you to I bought from you. So let's start with the top of the funnel. See, like a funnel is like this, right? So the top is where you attract people. This is your marketing. This is your advertising, right? Your social media content, stories, videos, posts. You attract everyone here. Now the middle is the filter. They enter their email and download the blueprint or your lead magnet, your free offer, okay? These are the most interested people, and the bottom are the buyers. This is where the automations take over. Email sequence runs, these become your customers. So every time somebody goes to your capture page, right? Generally, this is what people do. They have some kind of lead magnet that they're promoting. So people want to get that free lead magnet. It's like a free offer, it's some free value. So people, the only way they can access that free offer, okay, is that lead magnet is if they enter their email in. Okay. So like my lead magnet is the Freedom Formula Blueprint that teaches you how to make 10K in 30 days. So anybody who wants that blueprint, they're going to go to my capture page. They're going to click on my link, which is going to take them to my capture page where they put their email in, and that's how they access the blueprint, okay, the lead magnet that they have, okay? So the funnel does the funneling for you. You just need to drive, you just need to keep driving people to the top. You got to keep filling that funnel up, okay? That's all you got to do. And you do that through your marketing, through your advertising. There's four ways to market any business, right? You can pay for ads, you can do warm outreach, reaching out to friends and family. You can do cold outreach, reaching out to strangers, or you can do free content, posting content on social media, which is mostly like what we teach inside of our community, how to attract customers by posting content on social media. Okay. Why it's called the Freedom Machine. Before the Freedom Machine, juggling endless posts, chasing leads. The Freedom Machine is the funnel, right? So this is me, like juggling endless posts, replying to comments, chasing leads, sending people DMs nobody asked for, working all day and not seeing results. Sound familiar? Because that's what a lot of people do to market a business, especially if you're doing like multi-level marketing, like I used to do. I used to do MLM, multi-level marketing, right? And they didn't teach us how to use a sales funnel. They didn't teach us how to build an email list. So my strategy that I was taught is to cold message strangers and then to manually follow up with them. Okay. Not a fun system, and it's not automated. That's a manual process. This is an automated system. So after the Freedom Machine, the right people come to me. The system works for me 24/7. I built a multiple five-figure business without rejection, without chasing, without burning out. Freedom of time. Your business runs even when you're not online. It talks to people while you're with your kids, on vacation, sleeping, doing the things that you love. Freedom from rejection, okay, when you have a sales funnel like this. No DMing strangers, no pressuring friends and family. The people who enter your funnel chose to be there. Okay. Freedom to scale. You can handle 10 or 10,000 people without burning out because it doesn't matter. As soon as somebody puts their email in it's all automated. Okay. So you can build an email list of 10 to a million people, and the system's still going to do the same thing with each and every person. You understand? So you don't have to be present for every conversation. The only time I ever really communicate with people in my business is if someone's asking me a question in my content or on my lives, or if someone's replying to my emails, then I email them back. That's the only time I really communicate with people. How the funnel works step by step. Every person who enters your funnel sees the same simple steps. That's what makes it predictable. So number one, they see your content, your video, your post, your story, whatever content they see, your ad, okay? You attract them with your 2-hour daily activities. So we teach you a 2-hour workday. So basically we teach you to post content on social media, go live on social media. You can also copy and paste free ads on websites. That's what we teach, okay, inside of our community to attract customers, okay? So that's your marketing activities. Step number one, that's how you market your business, you advertise your business. Step two, they visit your page, your social media profile, or your link in the bio. This is your storefront, okay? Step three, they enter their email. In exchange for the Freedom Formula Blueprint or whatever lead magnet you have, this is the moment they opt in because they want to get that free lead magnet, okay? They want to get that free value, okay? So they watch the next video, number four. Immediately after opting in, they're taken to a welcome video. Okay, that's how our sales funnel works, right? So they go, they put their email in, they get access to their blueprint, and then they're also able to watch videos. Okay, so these videos are warm, trust building, they're personal. Okay, that they so this your emails and your videos and your content, it's building that know, like, and trust with people. Because people do business with those that they know, like, and trust or aspire to be like. So number five, your email sequence begins. Every time they put their email in, it triggers an automated email sequence, right? So the automation sends the blueprint and follows up for you automatically. So they get access to their blueprint, their lead magnet, and then the funnel does the selling for you. And step number six, strangers become customers. On average, inside of our community, 1 out of 20 people are buying. Okay. Now, that's an average number. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So, no DMs, no calling people, no convincing. The funnel converted them for you. You understand? That's how a sales funnel works. So, the math that makes this life changing. If 1 out of 20 people are buying, 1 out of 20 people who enter your funnel buy from you on average. Okay, let's just imagine that's the case. So let's say you collect 10 emails, $0 because you don't have 20 emails, right? So emails collected, $1,400 earned, $1,400 earned at 1 in 100. That's a conservative start. Okay. Let's say your funnel is like converting at 1 out of 100, right? So you're gonna need at least 100 emails to get one sale. Now, let's say your funnel is warming up to 1 out of 20. Okay. You get 1 out of 20 and you do the math on that, right? 1 out of 20. So 7,000 earned. If you're talking about out of 100, okay. Out of 100 people, right? 5 sales at 1,400, that's $7,000. Okay. Now let's say you get a customer a day. Let's say it converts and you get a customer a day. How many, whatever that is, if it's converting at 1 out of 20, okay, that's 42,000 a month. If you have a $1,400 product like we do, okay, I'm using my business as an example. We have a 1,400 digital product, right? I didn't create this product, but so if you can get one customer a day, that's 42,000 a month, right? Would it be worth it to you to learn how to do that for your business? Think about it. So important, 1 out of 20 is the average across warm nurtured leads, right? So just focus on daily activities. Your email list does the compounding, right? And 5 reasons your freedom machine changes everything. The freedom machine is the funnel. Number one, time freedom. Your business runs even while you're not online. It works while you're with the people you love or doing absolutely nothing. Okay. Number two, consistency without guesswork. You don't have to figure out what to do each day. Do your 2 hour income earning activities. The funnel handles the rest. Okay. Now, three, professional credibility. You have your own domain. You have a real you look like a real business owner. You have your own sales funnel. Okay. So you look like a real business owner. It's not a hobby. People take you seriously because the system says you're serious. Number four, passive income that compounds. People buy while you're living your life. Every email on your list is an asset that works for you around the clock. Okay. Zero rejection. Number five, no cold messaging, no begging, no pressuring friends and family. The funnel only talks to people who raise their hand. All you have to do is master. All you have to master is the marketing. That's one thing you got to master. Your marketing, whatever your strategy for marketing is. Your funnel is already a proven process. So you've got this. Just create a funnel for yourself and market that funnel. That's how you make money online with an online business. Okay. 3 hooks to create from today's lesson. Now, you just use the story you just heard and the system you now understand. Create content this week. So here's an example of content that you can create for your business. Did you know you can have a system working for you 24 hours a day, even while you're asleep? This is how it works. Makes people stop and wonder how that's possible. Opens a loop they have to close. Okay. Relatable hook. I used to think I had to chase people to make sales. Then I learned about funnels and everything changed. Connects with the exhaustion of cold messaging, hustle culture, and burnout. Your customer has felt this. Okay. Transformation hook. What if your business could run without you being glued to your phone all day? I'll show you exactly how. Speaks to the desire for time, freedom, family, and income without being always on. Okay. Now, the exercise that changes how you show up. Grab your notebook, write these down. This is not homework. This is the mindset shift that fuels everything. What would change in your life if your funnel brought in 1 to 2 new customers every single day? At $1,400 per customer, just one a day, that's 42,000 a month. Write down exactly what that number means for you and your family. Okay. Number two, How would your family benefit from an income that comes in while you sleep? Get specific. The moments you'd be present for, the things you'd finally be able to say yes to, the way you lose. Write it down, okay? Just go deep into this. Number three, if you actually believe this was going to work, how would you show up on social media tomorrow? Okay. See, a lot of people, they don't have success because they doubt themselves, either consciously or subconsciously. Now, imagine if you actually believe this was going to work, how would you show up on social media tomorrow, today? This is the real question. The bigger your email list, the bigger your income. You have a system, start treating it like one. Okay. See the value of what you have. It changes everything about how you create and how you build a business online. Today's actions, okay? Do these before day 17. Each one moves you closer to customers. Number one, answer the three reflection questions in your notebook. What changes if you get 1 to 2 customers a day at 1,400 each? How does your family's life look different? Write it down. Number two, record a video using one of today's three hook ideas. Pick the one that resonates the most, or you can use ChatGPT or AI to change them and create your own hooks, but just post pick the one that resonates the most, make it personal, end it with your short CTA and post it today. Check that your funnel is set up and your link is in your bio. The Freedom Formula Blueprint page is your only marketing destination or your lead magnet page, whatever that is. Everything points here, okay? Do your 2-hour income activities for your business. Post, comment, engage. The funnel converts, but it needs traffic. Your daily activities are what drive people into the top. Your funnel is a proven process. All you have to master is the marketing. You've got this. Okay. That is it. I will see you on the next one. I'll see you for day 17. I hope you got some value and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless.